72% of us have some sort of CRM. Like I said, whether it's broker provided, whether it's purchased on your own, or whether the brand includes it in the suite that they offer you, there is a very good chance that that tool is not cutting it for you. And the truth of the matter is the CRM as we know it was a digital adaptation of a tool that actually stems all the way back to the 1960s called the Rolodex. So for some of us young pups over here, the Rolodex is, think of a big circular tube that has lots and lots of business cards in it. And we have to kind of squiggle around and find the right business card. And that would be how we keep track of all of our customers, all of our past clients, and all of our leads. Well, the CRM did a really good job of storing that information, but that's really all they do. We have a couple that have a little modern flair, being able to run workflow automations, which we're going to dive into in just a little bit. But outside of that, in the last 20 to 30 years, realistically, there have not been major advancements. And in the end, you guys are the ones who suffer because of it. So when we think about how real estate agents are using these systems, truthfully, most of these CRMs are failing you as an agent because you have to think through all the follow-ups, you have to write all the messages, you have to build all the automations. And in my career, I've worked with hundreds of real estate agents to build these automations. Some of them I've seen take multiple weeks to build, and these are multi-hundred step automations, which is just crazy to me. How in the world are we going to invest time into building these automations when, gosh, we're already so behind on so many other things? Well, there is a modern answer to all of this, and that is the shift that we have been able to tackle using SAM. SAM is able to not only take all of the contacts that you've stored in your database and learn about them so it can aid you. It could write personal messages for you. You could even share a little bit about the automations you want to build, and it can actually build it for you. And it can build it for you in 2 to 3 minutes. So now I want you to think about the fundamental shift that is happening. I like to say that this is the shift from the Motorola flip phone that I had back in high school all the way to the iPhone 16 that is available today in one go. And for so many agents, they are just now learning what AI even is. So there's an entire industry that is being built. And unfortunately, these monoliths or these big companies in our space are slow to adapt. They're slow to steer. Think about that ship that got stuck in the canal a couple years ago, how slow it was to turn around because it's just so big. And unfortunately, what this means for you is systems that were built by folks who don't even know what you do each and every day are now trying to adapt to modern technology with lots and lots and lots and lots of code that isn't going to work for that adaptation. And at the end of the day, they don't fundamentally understand what you do. So as they're trying to add AI into their systems, I like to say they're duct taping it onto these systems. They're adding it in ways that do not intuitively make sense to help you. Well, that is exactly where SAM comes in to help you out.